Okay, hi everyone, this is Chuck, and today, first of all, I finally bought a doll. I know it's for 33-year-old men to buy a girl looking doll will raise a lot of question, but um, my, I guess I'll call her my niece. My niece has this particular 18-inch tall doll, super famous, popular one. And when I looked through the catalog for the Hanbok option, uh, well, it was not really readily available online, and especially one that looks more modern and clean and cute. Everything was kind of exaggerated and was, I guess, try to find like more authentic look, but that always has a fine line between it becoming focused on how exotic it is. So, like silky kind of 1990s like rendition of Hanbok was the only option she had, and of course, not that many Korean people even consider Hanbok as part of their, I guess, daily wear. So for that reason, there's no cute Hanbok option available, and I decide to give myself a chance to kind of spread the idea or of kind of modern contemporary Hanbok, and that was a beginning. And guys, oh my god, for the parents who actually buys these dolls, one or more than one, holy, it's so expensive. So, well, hopefully I get to teach you guys through that doll today of how to measure your body for clothes, well, for Hanbok. So, oh my god, I still can't believe I paid that much for this doll that I'll probably give it away soon, but there we go. So, using that doll, I'll teach you guys where to measure and then how to draw a pattern out of it. So, especially people who are kind of used to making clothes or slightly on the way to doing some advanced project for sewing machine, this is your time. This is your time to shine. And knowledge is power, and I'm sharing the knowledge with you guys, so power to you. So let's start. I'm going to, open the box and start getting the doll prep up ready. I am not quite even sure if the doll will actually stand on its own, but hey, we'll see. Alrighty. Okay. I guess she can stand on her own. This is actually amazing. I did not know. So, let's see. Let's start from measuring her first. So, I guess the jacket might need to go. And we will measure from her just wearing this. Oh my god, baby girl. Why is it so hard to get rid of this jacket? Okay. Monday! Right. So the first thing that I usually measure would be... she's not standing anymore. Okay, there you go. So the length. Luckily, we have indicator here that is actually in the middle of neck. So, bring your measuring tape here. Here's your shoulder. Goes down and about 7.75 inches would look super cute. Wait, I don't trust myself. Let's measure it again. Yep, 7.75 would be super cute. That's the first one. I'm gonna write it down. If you can see it. Ooh, super dark. Oi. There you go. So 7.75. Let me get then let's measure the body length. So from here to all the way down, just a little bit above, I guess. Like no one wants their shoes to drag on the skirt to drag on the floor, so I'll just go as 13. So there's like a half an inch gap from bottom of the shoes, so 13 inches for entire body. So 13 inches, as you can. Oh my god. Here you go. Here's where all the money went to for what? 7 years of art school. Yay! Yes! And what else? I usually measure shoulder, like how wide the shoulder is, just because traditionally Korean clothes, the body and the shoulder just has a one, singular line, but if it fits on human body, it looks a little awkward. Like it will create a lot of times this slouching shoulder thing. So I would actually remeasure it to make it look cleaner. So shoulder length 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 inches look good. Okay. And if I'm making the top, so like the length of a top can be determined by you. So let me write it down. Let me see. So top length would be, I think around here will be cute. No. Yeah, 3.5. 3.5 for the top length. The chogori length. And from 3.5. From here-ish. So like 10.75. Probably for chimagiri. Goes down to the floor. Okay. And this is totally like not useful as well, but I also goes around like how wide the back the neck opening should be. I think 2 would be cute. 1.75. 1.75. So 1.75 for neck. And also, I know it's a lengthy process. Oh yes, it's a lengthy process. Scared me. I thought I messed it up, but okay. So opening of arm is also needs to be measured. Could be as tight, but I don't know. Like I don't think if it's too tight will fit the doll nicely, or it would be hard for us to actually dress this doll up. So yeah, opening of arm is about 6 inches. Don't fall. Okay, 6 inches. And for opening of hand should be 4.5 looks too big, but I'm not sure if 4 will go through. I guess 4. 4 could be good for opening. Okay. And now we are going to measure the chest. So that's gonna be measurement for the body. Again, About 11. What if it? I'll go for like 11.5. Yeah, 11.5 would look cute. So 11.5. Okay. So let me show you soon again to where to measure. So first of all, let me write it down on the sketchbook and start from there. Okay, so finally did all the measurements for her, I think. And if I forget there needs anything else to be done, I'll do it. But so here you go. Here the chart that you can use for measuring. So first of all is a neck opening, which is not necessary, but I do it anyways. So it's this, and the arm length, which is starting from here to going down, and probably like around here-ish for arms. So that's indicated there. Oh my god, that. And the number 3 is a body length. So it's not from head to toe, it's actually the same place, like the back of the neck to almost bottom, like almost touching the floor, but not really, because no one has time to lift their dresses if dress is that long. And the shoulder. Also, shoulder is not necessary. Like hanbok is made to be flattened out, so usually it's like a body circumference that actually determines like the opening of shoulder and all that. But since I wanted to fit more contemporary, I also measure shoulder openings, like shoulder like length. And the next thing is chogori length. So chogori is a top. So usually I go a little above like belly button, because you know traditionally you will wear oh wow, metropolis. Usually you would wear chima anyways, and chima goes like all the way hock it up to like, you know, about like above your chest. Sometimes it just depends on how you make it, but I make it as an empire line, so it will be higher than, definitely higher than belly button. So that's what I measure it till to be like belly button-ish down length. And the next thing is just body. So, which means 11.5. It's like the circumference of this part, like the chest-ish, but you know, I just refer it as body. That's gonna fit. That's what the body is. And the chima length. So again, I kind of measure it, imagining it coming up here-ish to like boop, like a half an inch above the ground. So that was indicated here. So it's number 7. That's the chima length. The shoulder opening is the next one. So around here, like where the arm will actually open. So I just call it shoulder opening. And the next one is hand opening, which is where the hand will come up. So it's a circumference of this, and also shoulder one is here to here. I know it's a little complicated. I highly recommend you guys to watch it again. Again, here's what I draw, and it turned out it's not really helping at all. Oh my god. Like, I'm very bad at infographics, but there you go. So, let's start this process. Let's measure your body. If you have any questions, just ask me again. I will do my best to, indicate where to measure and how to measure. Again. So, thank you so much for watching.